it's a cool feeling to be the only person from Kansas to have won the award. I'm Bradley Koch. I'm from Clyde, Kansas. I have a Bachelor's of Business Administration from Washburn University, majored in accounting and finance, and then I graduated with a Master's of Accountancy, also from Washburn. To receive the Elijah Watt Sells Award, it was an incredible honor to me. I feel like it was a culmination of a lot of hard work in the classroom and then studying for the exam, and so it's just great to see hard work paying off in that way. So preparing for the CPA exam, I had my base knowledge with my School of Business education here at Washburn, and then I also used the Becker studying program to help summarize all my education, make sure I recall everything, take the simulated exams, and then I was ready for the CPA exam. I'm actually a fourth generation Washburn student. My parents actually met at Washburn, and so that's kind of what got my foot in the door to come here on my first visit. And then when I got here, I really liked the campus and then all the people I met, and so that kind of sealed it for me, was the tour and getting to meet people, and I feel like I definitely made the right decision. For a student coming to the School of Business trying to make a decision, I would say come meet professors, meet the staff in the business office, meet with an advisor, figure out what your major you're kind of looking at, and meet with those professors, because if you find your professors who work in your major and they're a good fit, it'll be a great thing for you as a student. Washburn University, just right, just for you.